Hi everybody, Karen with Cozy Cove Studio here, and today I'm going to show you how I make an enamel cabochon for my jewelry. The first thing I need to do is design the shape of the cabochon, which I do in a 3D modeling program called Fusion 360. Once I have the molds designed, then I go ahead and print them on a 3D printer. Here I have a piece of annealed copper, annealed means softened, that I'm going to put on the mold and bring over to the press. I've placed a piece of urethane on the mold, and now I'm going to start hiking up the press. I'm going to make this go a little bit faster. Now you can see that the copper has conformed to the mold, so it's going to go through another time to get it to conform even better. I've trimmed the copper all around, and this is going to help the metal conform better to the die. So I'm going to press it again. So now you can see that the metal has really conformed to the die, but it puckered on the left side. So now I'm going to use the male die to straighten that out and really force the metal down. So at this point, I'm trying to remove the male die from the female die, and it doesn't want to come out. So I am going to use a screwdriver and take care of the situation. So here is the final press of the die. It's completely conformed, and it's ready to clean up and get ready for enameling. So I've sprayed on the enamel adhesive, and I'm putting on the first coat of counter enamel on the back of the cabochon. Now I'm ready to sift on the base coat of enamel. So now I'm sifting on a second coat, and then it'll be ready to dry on the kiln. So now I'm putting it in the kiln at 1470 for a few minutes, and we'll see what we get. here's what it looks like while it's cooking. Not that you can see a lot. And this is how it looks after it comes out of the kiln. This next layer is a clear crackle medium, which is going to allow me to do my special effects for the layers that come after. Now I'm going to add more colors for the top layers. And now I'm removing some so I can make a pattern. And this is how it looks after the final firing. Well, I hope you found this interesting, and you can check out my jewelry on cozycovestudio.com. Thanks for watching.